late winter into November. But this year was so different, and this hard freeze came so fast. Poor little Linden. Everything was just going to sleep because of the freeze. A little baby sea berries, sea buckthorn berries coming out of the ground from the parent sea berries here. There's the chokecherry. It started turning color up there. Let's look up. There's a few little sea berries left on the vine. But there's the chokecherry canopy tree. This beautiful Siberian pea shrub. The father of the sea buckthorn berries with his babies along that berm over there. The blackberries always live through the winter, stay green. More of the beautiful grapes. We picked them on the outside. We'll pick them along the fence on the inside. And we trimmed back this little pear tree because it was growing too tall. We didn't get a chance to produce too many pears. And we have our grapevines we grew from cuttings since March. We've planted them all through the garden for next year to create shade. We want lots of shade. And our poor peach tree, the peaches never ripened and they all just dropped. Look at that. Comfrey is protected. Here was our red, beautiful, but the red currants dried so quickly with the heat that we didn't pick them. Our other miracle apricot tree, now it's 5 years old, miracle tree. But it's sad we've had hard freezes way too soon in our forest here. Come and visit Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens. This is how you learn. This is the teacher. The trees and the shrubs and the plants, they teach us what they need. Our bamboo will go to sleep for the winter. Look at that amazing black locust. It'll have those amazing sweet smelling. Can you believe that was a twig 4 years ago? And now look at the size of it. With the hawthorn berries, you can see we got berries for the first time this year. These guys are about 12 feet tall behind the rainier. As the sun's about to go down over the mountains, the food forest is gonna freeze again tonight. Clear skies. I never actually got a storm, but I don't understand. And it was too warm. So I don't know why we had these hard freezes. Let me see. Oh, look at those beautiful blue oyster mushrooms. And the other gorgeous mulberry. Thank you, Adam Remkes. Look at this. You gave us this little twig, and look how beautiful he is now. And produces the most delicious black mulberries. And there's a white one next to him. It's amazing. So beautiful. And we've got a patch of service berries we've planted in. It's amazing. I can't wait to get the red catawbas to make a delicious juice. We left some plums also for the birds. You have to leave things. You have to leave flowers on the fence and other things. For the insects, you've got to take care of the whole forest. Not just take for yourself. Behind our beautiful apricot tree we love so much. We had 1,000 apricots on there this year. Oof, gave or take 100. And our little sparrows are coming and eating. Huh, babies? Or is that? Oh, that's a different. It's not a sparrow. You're not a chickadee either because you don't have white on you. What are you, little angel? What are you? If I can film you. I don't know. It's not a towhee. He's tiny. What is he? He has a little brown dark brown head, light tan body, and the cutest. It's gonna fly away, that motorcycle. Oh, what are you? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, maybe they are chickadees. Are you my little chickadees? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Trying to get... Hey, doo-doo-doo-doo. My little chickadees. They're so cute. Hi, babies. We feed the doves up in the tray and the quail. Try to keep them off the ground so the neighbor's fat cats don't come in. We put seeds everywhere. In our beautiful food forest. Come and visit. You can see virtual tours we keep posting all year long for 5 years now. This food forest is 5 years old. Permaculturedesignschool.org under media, look at the blog. We'll post this one as well. Look at all those pears hanging there. As it freezes and winter is here. We hope you'll come and enjoy and learn. We're going to put in a school, Mountain Sunrise Academy, next year. Look how beautiful those colors are. I wish the whole garden, like the last 4 years, would have been able to turn all its colors. It would have been beautiful. Picked all the almonds, and they're all in one sweet almond. And the little fishies, we brought in all the water plants, so they're exposed. Poor little goldfish. We have 6 goldfish down there. And all the milkweed has just blown all of the beautiful milkweed seeds all over the garden. You can see them there. It's going to be gorgeous. We keep getting more and more milkweed, and we had one 7 days in a row, and Monarch was here. That was amazing. As we sit on the foothills overlooking the valley. Oh, the poor comfrey and the grapevines really froze fast. But we hope everyone will come to our little food forest we love. Because of the freeze, we'll be able to pick our edible weeping crabapple tree crab apples here every year. They're so beautiful, these little apples. That's going to be nice. We let the wasp have some of the grapes left there. You want to leave food for everybody. Oh, and the poor little Thai basil. It's our perennial basil, is what we call it. And the flowers. That's amazing. These didn't freeze along the ground there. And with the beautiful mums. We planted the Rebecchias for next year that Grant gave us. Oh, it's so sad to see all the grape leaves so dry, but then there's our beautiful, beautiful grapes. We finished off the last blackberries inside just this week. The crab apples loaded right here. There's the tansies. I'm going to give some to Matthew, Layton, but most of this looks like we've had hard freezes. The mums are still alive. Oh, the poor sunchokes on the outside really froze. We've got all this surprise gift of mulch from 7 Trees, and next week the best compost from Philip James Wild. Oh, look at the poor grapevines at the entrance. Oh, burned by the freeze. The poor sunflowers, but we leave them all winter. The little finches have still been around, so they come and you can see how the sunflowers are dropping seeds. But we want to leave them. In fact, we like leaving the forest, even though it's deciduous and it's mostly twigs everywhere. There's so much in here the beautiful raspberries. Even the raspberries started to change color. But we leave everything. The mints are starting to learn. We still left some alfalfa. We can pick all the seeds from the alfalfa. As everything goes to sleep, the mums are still bright yellow. Buffalo berry, crabapple, and blackberry along the fence. On the outside, they dried up with the heat this year. We were very sad. There's the beautiful anise hyssop mint that's native to Utah. We did pick a lot of it, but it's still good. We could have people tomorrow at the herbal and goji berry making and grape juice making workshop. We could have them cut some of the anise hyssop. These beautiful little flowers did freeze. Oh, the poor hibiscus. They're all freezing. The blackberry looks good. Oh, the poor grapevine. I did pick the grapes out here. Look at the anise hyssop. Isn't it beautiful? And look, you can cut all these beautiful herbs. We're going to post this on our group. Oh, the mums were all opening. There's a miracle petunia that's open. Beautiful. Mums, see the choke cherry. It turned color. Beautiful red. But others didn't. My mums under there. And that poor hibiscus. Oh. And here's our gorgeous. This is for our water, catching stormwater off the street. The sandbags to do it, and a pipe that goes right into the food forest, into infiltration basins like they do in Tucson. And look at these gorgeous woods rose, wild rose hips. Aren't they beautiful? We'll be picking those as well. We harvest them every year. As we come around, I want to show you, forgot to show you the huge raspberries we had at the entrance of the garden by the pond. It was so beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. Our beautiful food forest is 5 years old. And I always cry as the birds start to go and the insects have frozen. There's hardly any left. We've put our honeybees to bed. I gave them extra honey as well. I want to make sure and wax that they have all they need through the winter, and we put a tarp over so that no water will get in through the top. They've got a entrance reducer. Isn't it beautiful? Even though it's going to sleep. It just all came so fast. This hard freeze. We're going to pick these beautiful grapes here at our entrance. Look at how beautiful. Let's see how they taste after 2 hard freezes. Look at that. Oh, it's going to be juicy. So sweet. Wow. You really need to wait till after the hard freeze, and then they're perfect. And here's our beautiful little raspberries. We've been letting the last ones ripen. We got a big bowl already. Oh, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? They're still delicious, even after the hard freeze. Look at all of them we had. All these beautiful raspberries. Look at that. It's always best right off the vine, I think. We have a ton right here at our entrance over our pond. And you can see our little fish family, little goldfish. They survived all winter with the pond running. Never froze completely. Let's stay another year as well. It's amazing how they can survive such cold water. Our little goldfish. So come and visit us. Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens, permaculturedesignschool.org.